Last year, you may remember we did a cooking challenge with our church group. This year is the second annual cooking challenge. I'm here
Winners
with
right here.
I'm here with the great Team 3.
Winners.
We'll see about the cooking. We already won 2 sabotage.
All
We're
right.
about to win a third because it's just dance.
You got this.
We're ready. We're ready.
Garrett.
A+ graphic design.
Thank you. Well, welcome everybody to the Luke Life Group edition of Cutthroat Kitchen. I hope you all are very, very excited. So the whole premise of Cutthroat Kitchen is that you all are going to be cooking a very simple dish, but you're going to get sabotaged. The way it's going to work schedule-wise, I'm going to announce the dish for the round, and then I'm going to announce what the first sabotage is. Each team will pick a single team member to compete in the mini game, and then whoever wins the mini game gets to pick what other team has to do that sabotage. Okay, and then we'll go through all 3 mini games per round, have those sabotages handed out, and then we'll go ahead and get cooking. Team number 1, we have.
Wait.
Team number 2, we have Cindy, Joseph, Evan, and Johnny. Next one's Hot Tea.
Oh my god.
Delightful. And next Bistro. We have Brenda, Ethan, Steven, the other half of Steven. Gourmet grilled cheese and tomato soup. Number 1 is all tied up.
I don't know what that means.
The winner of this minigame gets to pick another team, and they have to be tied at the hip in pairs. By rope. While cooking.
How are you feeling?
We can do this.
Okay.
You guys each get 6 throws, and you just have to make as many as you can in the cups. And whoever makes the most goes, and then we'll do a throw off and leave a tie at the end. Team 1, go first. John's team.
What did it tie?
Me?
That's why I was asking about the doubles.
So, elbows behind the line. In case you didn't know. Ooh, 0 for 1, okay. 1. Ooh.
This whole, I think.
That's it. Yes!
Nope.
I do better than Sean.
1. Tie it. Go. Oh! They have a tie. 1. 2.
It's alright, Brenda's gonna clean up. What are you guessing?
We chose Sean's team.
Yeah, I got it. For our group game, I thought it would be a good idea to do some trivia.
Yes.
Okay. It's Just Dance.
We're gonna
We already won 2 sabotage.
All
We're
right.
about to win a third because it's just dance.
You got this.
We're ready. We're ready.
Garrett.
Let's go. Can you turn the music up?
Yeah.
All right. It'll show your face. The winner. Okay. But you didn't win. See, you didn't win.
I didn't win!
No. Who knows? Okay. Ethan.
We lost the challenge, and now we have to make tomato soup out of tomato substitutes.
Ethan knows. He knows how to win these things. Thumbs up from. It's not about looking good.
We're gonna do our best. Half hour starting now.
No, there's just no space.
Ooh, look at the little tomato compote on the side right there.
Okay.
Boy.
It's good, actually. It's only 3.
Hey, Deb, how do you feel?
I feel good. I'm proud of my team.
How are you feeling?
We'll bounce back the second round.
Really good. I mean, it was fun. That's what counts.
We are going to announce our judging. Our favorite tomato soup. Or at least she's still eating it. So I think it's pink team, right? Pink team. Hey, good job. Best grilled cheese. We thought the best grilled cheese was teal. Yes, this is for everyone. This is teal.
What's the other one?
This is seafoam green or mint. Yes. Okay. And our winner for overall gourmet grilled cheese and tomato soup is mint. Seafoam. Who was?
I'm flipping a table.
Okay. So here's the way. It is Super Smash Brothers.
Yeah.
Someone click plus.
Wait, what are the buttons?
A, and then the right one. All right. Just start testing it. Go. It's 3 minutes. Go.
Yeah, I know. She's gonna do it.
You can do it, Lisa.
Just keep pressing the joystick up.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it, you killed it the last second.
This is years of playing with Ryan.
Wait, this is amazing. Oh, yes! I'll play some Wits and Wagers. Light edition.
Our sabotage was we have our prep table made out of cardboard boxes. We're making do.
The next one, my favorite for this round, is the catering gone wrong. Does anyone know what a catering tray is heated by? It's called sterno. So you guys forfeit all your heat sources, and you guys get sterno, a serving tray, and a rack to hold it. Look at that, Steven's holding it. Isn't that really cool?
Oh my god.
I think that one's pretty dope. It's like a fire you just can't control.
I do think that was pretty dope, actually.
Look at that. So this one is called Guess the Song. So everyone get back in your groups. I'm gonna play an excerpt of some songs that I love. Y'all got about 8 more minutes.
It's called a Chinese taco. What kind of heat does it need?
Start playing because you can. Alright, let's get our food up, people. We're on.
Lisa, how do you feel about the tacos?
I thought it was pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, the tacos were pretty good. They weren't spicy enough. You know, there was something missing, but I think given the circumstances, we did pretty well.
What if I just threw up?
Those are super cute.
Everyone,
Everyone, a round of applause for yourselves. Good job, everyone. Go for it.
Our
Go for
favorite
it.
tortilla was the pink tortilla.
Who's Team Pink?
I
think it's Sean's.
Yes!
And then our favorite filling was the steak fajita with the
red?
with the homemade avocado. What was it?
Overall best taco, drum roll please. It's actually the pink one.
Fish taco.
Strong work.
Fish taco.
Yeah.
All right, another cooking challenge done. It was tiring, it was intense, it went well. We'll see what happens next year.